Hi, it's Mohammed here from Avante Financial, and this is my wrap-up of yesterday's federal budget. First up, I'm going to cover what's called the Protecting Your Super package. So, in regards to passive fees, the government will introduce a cap on fees that superannuation funds can charge for account balances below $6,000. If you have an account balance below $6,000, the most a super fund can charge for administration and investment fees over a 6-month period will be $90. So that's, again, saving you unnecessary fees. The second thing is exit fees. The government is introducing a ban on exit fees from all superannuation funds. Some superannuation funds charge you a fee when you roll your money out of that super fund or exit that fund. So the government's introducing a ban on all exit fees. Lost super members. Superannuation accounts with balances below $6,000 will be transferred to the ATO. Then, without any member direction, the ATO will transfer any of that money, that if it's under $6,000, to any of your active superannuation funds. Now, this is an area that many people will need to confirm. They may have strategies in place where they have multiple super accounts. One of them may hold insurance, one of them is for super contributions. So it's essential for you to contact your super fund to ensure that your money is not automatically transferred across to the ATO and then moved into your active super fund. When it comes to insurance, super funds will be prohibited from applying for insurances for certain account holders. Again, these will be account holders with balances less than $6,000, people under the age of 25, and also any accounts that have been inactive for 13 months. On that basis, it's on an opt-in basis. So people that have those types of accounts need to contact the super fund if they want insurances. Otherwise, the super fund will not automatically be able to apply insurance onto your super account. Work test exemption. From the 1st of July 2019, anyone between the ages of 65 and 74 that have account balances below $300,000, when they retire that very first year, they can make contributions to their superannuation, personal contributions to their superannuation within the caps, and will not need to meet the work test in that first year. So those are a few of the key superannuation packages that the government announced yesterday. When we look at taxation, now I have included a PDF document below this video that has more detailed explanation around the things I'm talking to you right now, as well as the thresholds and the rates that are applied. So please click on that link, download the PDF, and you'll be able to get more detailed information than what I'm explaining to you now. Medicare levy rate. So the government announced that they're going to leave that at 2%. It was supposed to increase to 2.5%, but it's staying at 2% for now. So that's a big win. The government is also introducing a low and middle income tax offset, which is in addition to the low income tax offset. So most people earning under $37,000 get access to the low income tax offset. Now you're going to get, anyone under $37,000 will get an additional $200 low income offset, or rather the low income and middle income tax offset. Anyone between $48,000 and $90,000 will get a tax offset of $530, a flat rate there. Now bear in mind, it is a tax offset, it's not a rebate or a refund of your taxes. So if you don't use it or don't use the full amount, you won't get the difference back in that. The government's also announced changes to the marginal tax rate. Essentially, from the 1st of July 2018, the 32.5% marginal tax rate will increase from $87,000 to $90,000. So please refer back to the PDF file that I've got below this video for more details around the changes to the marginal tax rates there. For small business owners, the government has announced an extension of the instant tax write-off of $20,000 So any small business owner that was purchasing an asset that cost less than $20,000, you were able to immediately write that off as a business expense and not have to include it in your with depreciation. So those are the tax announcements yesterday. I'm going to cover two more, which is going to be the increase in the pension work bonus from $250 to $300 per fortnight. So the pension work bonus is a concession on the income test for age pensioners. It allowed age pensioners to work and earn $250 per fortnight and have that money not counted towards their income test for the age pension purposes. That's going to be increased to $300. So now you can earn $300 per fortnight and not have that count towards your income test. This amount has not changed since 2011, so that's a welcome change to have that increased, at least allow you to earn a bit more money. Very lastly, I'm going to cover the home care packages that the government announced. So they announced that they will be creating an additional 14,000 high-level home care packages, making home care, aged care facilities a little bit more accessible. There's still a bit of a shortfall, but they're making, allowing more, creating more packages to do so. So, as I mentioned, please refer to the PDF below this video for more detailed information and the thresholds and the amounts that may apply to you. For some of you, as I also mentioned, particularly in the case of your super balances, some of these proposals may have an effect on your current and your future financial plans. So it's essential for you to get in touch with me to discuss these, ensure that we've got the right strategy in place that can see you through now and in the future. Apart from that, anyone else that has any questions or any concerns about their current position or any future plans, please feel free to contact me. My phone number is 02-8730-0246, and you can also email me mohammed@avantefs.com.au. That's my wrap up of yesterday's federal budget. I look forward to speaking with you soon.